Welcome everyone to a new video on our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, let's learn how to share your screen with audio in Messenger. So if you want to start sharing your screen of your mobile phone and you also want to talk to that person at the same time, let me show you how you can do it. First of all, open up the chat and then firstly call that person. You can here just tap on this option in the middle and you'll have an option of share. Tap on the share option and tap on start sharing. Tap on minimize call and your entire screen will start to share along with your audio or your voice. And when you're done, you can tap on the red button and your call will end.